Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of focus train your brain weekly constants. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list we'll search about the application of focus train your brain. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. After that we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. We'll search about focus train your brain. If you find update, then you will update your app to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.